everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankita Gill and this is officially my first YouTube video. I am really excited to say this because this is something that I feel like I wanted to do from a very long time, and here I am today creating my own channel, trying to learn 100 different things that you could do on this big platform. This is a channel where I will be posting about makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle. This is the first video where I'm talking, so you would get to see more of my personality today and in more upcoming videos. Today this video majorly focused on the look that I have created on my eyes, which is more of like, smoky eye look using very minimal products. I'm going to first prime my face. I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Visible Lift Radiance Booster Brightening Primer 24-hour hydration. So once I prime my face, now we can move on to the second step, which is basically applying a foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is MAC Studio Fix. My shade is NC35. Moving on to step number 2, which is to conceal my face. I'm going to be using the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer and it has a really good coverage. I'm just covering wherever I have like these tiny spots. Moving on to the next step, which is powder. I have this Mercier. So for today's look, I want it to be more of more of what do you call, like a light smoky eye with a touch of pink on the crease. You could use any of your I just want to use minimum products for doing that. So maybe just like a Kohl pencil and maybe a black eyeshadow. For the Kohl pencil, I will be using Colorbar, and for the shadow, I will be using my all-time favorite, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Guys, please don't mind my brows. They have outgrown so much. I could not go to the parlor to get my brows done. And Bhagwan ki daya se meri brows kafi bushy. Going to my Jaclyn palette, and I'm using this deep dark black color here. I'm using the same brush because, as I said, it has to be simple black smoky eye. I'll be using a touch of pink to cover the crease. So just to make sure that I have a little bit transitional color, like when you go up from your lower line to the upwards, you just want it to be going lighter and lighter. So I'm just using another thick brush. Okay, this is basically just a regular brush set that I ordered from Amazon. I just want to make sure that it is all well blended. So I'm going in like in and out, like circular motion. Same on the other eye. Okay, I'm just using this Becca's Khloe and Malika Bronze Blush and Glow palette. So I could use, this is basically like a blush, but I'm just using it on the top of my eyes using that same big fluffy brush, dusting off the extra. Now moving on to my lower lash line, I am going to use the same Kohl pencil by Colorbar. And I'm using the same dark black abyss from the Jaclyn Hill over here on this brush to cover and maybe pop out my eyes. So I'm just going to cover my lower lash line here. Last but not the least, you of course want to make sure that you use a pretty good mascara. So this mascara is from Lancome. I ordered this online from Sephora's website on discount, and I feel like this is worth it. I guess I have almost finished this and I'm going to reorder it. for brows today, I usually use Benefit Brow Pencil, but I also love this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. It's a drugstore product, and I think this is such a beautiful product by L'Oreal. See, I've almost like eaten it. Use just a regular brush ordered from Amazon. I take it on my brush and start filling in my brows. So for lips, I'm using this MAC lip liner, which is I think called as Spice. It's my all-time favorite lip liner. I'm applying a lipstick on top of it, which is by Fenty Beauty, and the lipstick is in shade Thicc. This is basically what it is, and let me just show you the final look. I hope you guys like my video. Please share, subscribe, like, comment. I need your support, guys. Well, thank you first of all for watching the whole video, and I'm really excited today. I don't know, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. If you feel like you want me to create a video on something, please put it on the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.